to another video. And it's me and Tyler on Adopt Me.
Yeah, so today, guys, we will be playing Adopt Me in Roblox. And as you can see, I am playing with Brooke in Adopt Me. This is going to be fun. So, she is going to make me do all her chores for her. So, right now, I just have to put her to bed in my house. So, my house is a big... Wait, do I seriously have to buy a bed? I forgot. I got rid of everything in my house. Are you joking? Are you joking? I have to buy a bed. Oh no. Oh, that's just bad, yo. Okay, what kind of bed should I buy? Like, seriously.
I want the one for the roof.
That one? I might think about it. You just keep playing. Well, we don't really have anything to do. So let's do. No, that's bathroom. Fairy pets. Let's just do like. Wait, what's going on? My computer's possessed. You just go play. You play it somewhere in my house. Just find something to do.
I'm just eating some cake. Nothing wrong.
I have my bed. I'm finding a bed. Do you want a bunk bed? Oh, this
I want bunk bed.
No, this is my bed. Oh, this is a nice bed I got here. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh, this is a nice. Oh.
Do you like the pink room though?
Huh?
You like the pink room? It's kind of it's kind of girlish.
I might change that, really, guys. I might change that.
Okay,
wait,
so.
And then can I just place it right there?
Oh,
that works.
Mm.
Oh, that works. I need to make my house a little bit more fun. Wait.
Like with a ball pit?
Are you thirsty or am I all these things? Wait. I think I'm the one that's sleepy. I'm the one that's sleepy. Wait. Oh, you. Oh, that's you. Good.
Because I'm in your family.
Go bed. Go bed. Let's go.
I'm a baby. I
I'm
need a
leaving.
crib.
I'm driving away. See you later. See you later, folks. I'm driving away. Come on, Wolf. Just driving away without you. I just had a great idea. Let's go into the city. Let's go into the city.
Hey, Tyler.
Bye.
Oh, I forgot I have the banjo.
Bye. I'm so I just crashed. Into someone's house. I keep crashing. It's dumb. This is so hard to control. This has a mind of its own. Wait, what? Wait, I don't think I should be like this. What? Oh, there we go. That's a little better. Okay. I was full screen. I just went through the tunnel without you, like this. Stop. Okay, so let's go. Oh, I have an idea. I'm gonna go somewhere. Sorry. I feel really bad about doing this. Wait, don't tell me you have one. Wait, don't steal my car. Don't steal. I'm just driving away. Wait, wait, hold on. Wait, I need to go to the,
I'm inside your car
where's
waiting.
the tree house at? Wait, drop it?
I'm eating me an egg.
Wait, yeah, go back up.
I want to see if I could get myself an egg.
You're gonna buy yourself an egg?
Yeah.
You waste so much money doing that. No, oh no, well, I almost fell. I almost fell. Why aren't you coming? You have one of these. You have one of these, you know.
What?
Did you see the missile thing that you hold? I think that will make you fly too. Where's the treehouse even at? Oh, here it is. Here it is. No one is seeing what I can see, but it is so cool. Like on my
I wish I had the king egg.
Brookie, aren't you coming?
I'm going to have my cat out.
Aren't you coming?
I have my
Am
cat.
I beautiful?
My cat has shoes on.
cats sort of like dumb? Why do cats? Oh, that's so dumb of me. Wait, are you going camping right now? Because the camping thing just went away on mine. What? Boy, why
I'm a grown-up now.
Sky Castle.
I'm a grown-up now.
Look, come over here. Come over to the camping area. You'll see. Look up in the air. You'll see me. Wait, no, drop that. Come over. Come on. Come over here. I'm gonna do it in 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna like hang, sort of, like over the city. Whoa! Oh! Do you see me, Brookie? Go onto the London Bridge. Don't you see me? Look up! Look up! Look up at the air balloon. Look, you're gonna miss it. I'm streaming. Sounds like I'm streaming a video. Oh my gosh, I'm hanging. Ah! I just fell on your head. Okay. Oh, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Do I need to give you something from my house?
I already have food, sorry.
Okay. Whoa, actually, whoa.
I have some cake.
No, I don't want to give you that. Like, I was going to give you something, but I don't want to give it to you now.
Hey.
I have a pogo stick. It blends in really good with the grass. Now you can see it a little better. What if I rode my motorcycle?
I will be on you.
Wait, hold on. Wait, what happened to my straw? Oh, wait.
Can I get in the middle?
Hold on, I'm trying to find something really badly. Oh, here it is. My banana. Wait, get in the stroller. Are you in the stroller?
Yeah.
Still?
Yeah.
What, cash out? Wait, what happened to my banana?
It's right there.
Get rid of it. There we go. That's banana I got.
I'm in my banana suit.
Wait, you're in the banana. I just crashed into a tree. I just literally crashed into a tree. I just crashed. Crash. Okay. This is so hard. It's a banana. It's a banana. Whoa. What if let's just
Why is it a wait, why do I have
that?
Hey!
Wait, does my missile work? Wait, do I have a missile?
This time I'm staying on you.
This doesn't work. It's just a balloon. Wait, oh no, it gives you jump boost. It gives you a really cool jump boost. It's a really cool effect. Wait, why are you on me? Please get off.
No.
No, I don't want to get. Don't. Please just get off. Or I'm gonna fly you to the highest height. I forgot my doggy.
Don't worry.
Oh,
it's
that's
fine.
sad. Oh, that's sad. My dog's dying. Do you want to try going on the rope? I'll take you there.
Okay.
I'll take you there.
Wait, did the dog just fly up here?
Wait, did my dog?
He's dropping
My
down.
dog? My doggy baby! My doggy!
Wait, why did he get me back?
Trying to go over. Why is he peeing? Oh, my wolf got somebody sick. Oh, that's so sad.
So bad.
Oh, no.
Ah.
I just crashed. Bad landing. That's
The
fine.
dog finally got to see you.
The dog was happy, but I wasn't. I fell. I need to eat.
I got some popcorn.
I eat something while I get rid of everything. Wait. Where is like... Why does my doggy keep coming up here? Oh, okay, I'm so hot.
Got that one. Got
So
that
close.
one. Got
So
that one.
close.
Got that one.
I just need to get over here. I just need to...
And land here.
Land, please.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, that's a perfect landing. Oh, now, do you want to go on the rope? Go on the rope.
Okay, I'm on you.
No, ride me. Yeah, that works.
Drop that. Drop that. First.
Kabunga!
Oh my god.
That's cool.
Oh my guys.
So guys, we're gonna end the video right here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, guys. Remember, always subscribe to my channel.
Bye, guys, and
Bye.
don't forget the like button, and don't forget to ding the bell.
If you subscribe.